Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My real name is Rain K. Suarez. Chos. Hindi. Before anything else, I would like to leave you a beautiful song entitled Hilda. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if we care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. I am representing from the breadbasket of Paradise and Europe. This is Miss UKRAIN plus E, Ukraine. Thank you.
Miss USA.
Life is like a journey. It is a long road. From beginning to never ending. Like a cycle, like a maze. Your choice, your path, and your ways. So let us celebrate this journey to the greatest joyride. Hello there, Fahrenheit. Kamusta po kayo? All the way from the historical city of Malate, and now here in Fahrenheit. My name is Ivor Antitenko E. Suarez, and tonight, let me represent USA, United States of America. Maraming salamat po.
Virgin Islands.
Ding, 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 ding. Paging, paging the mother of the lost boy. The boy is wearing a red floral dress and a stiletto. Ding, 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 ding. Paalala po sa mga pasahero, tayo po'y makararanas ng turbulence o sandaling pagbabago ng hangin. Para po sa mayayaman ng mga pasahero, ang life vest po ay nasa ibabaw po ng inyong upuan. At para po sa mahirap at hampas lupa, sabayan niyo po ako. Aba, Ginoong Maria na pupunta ng grasya. Naniniwala po ako, mga kaibigan kong paminta, na napakagwapo at napakagalaking ng katawan. Now we should keep off the grass, or else the grass will keep off us. And I do believe in the saying that everything that is created in this humane society, or which we call Mother Earth, has a reason and purpose in its own existence. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Dana Marie Madrigal, a proud 19 years of age stunner, who do hail all the way from the beautiful province and the Bibingka capital of the Philippines, Cainta Rizal, who is taking a Bachelor of Science major in tourism at the Central Escolar University. But tonight, I am very, very much pleased to represent my country. Hayaan ko po kayong alayan ko kayo ng isang kantang galing pa po sa aking lolang si Madonna. Like a virgin, touch for the very first time, charang! Like a virgin, makes your heart beat next to me. And to set up! Parang di naman, sabi nga ng mga kaibigan ko, never been touched, never been kissed, but totally damaged. Thank you very much. This is Miss US Virgin Islands.
Miss Zimbabwe.
Mother Earth, things around us have existed million years before us. Therefore, it becomes imperative that we value things around us.
Too precious to waste, recycle. Did you know that for every ton of recycled paper, 17 trees live? Well, now you know from DOST. Wala lang. Standing before you is a real persona of beauty and brain. Ever trophies, recognition, and medals? Not yet included. But despite all these, marami pa akong gustong pangarap na matupad. Maraming bagay na gustong gawin. Just like Centrum, I wanna be complete. Complete from A to Zinc. Just like Miss Earth Fahrenheit, from A, Aruba, to Z, Zimbabwe. Good evening, everyone. Everyone, good evening. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. A 22-year-old stunner is standing in front of you. A graduate of Industrial Engineering from Mapua Institute of Technology. From Mapua Institute of Technology, I am a graduate of Industrial Engineering. By the way, this is a review of what we discussed last pre-pageant, from active to passive voice. My name is Nikki Hilpuyat, LRT Station. Nikki Hilpuyat, LRT Station. Please take care of your belongings. Next station, Libertad. A few reminders from the LRT administrator: no spitting inside the train. In Tagalog, wag kang durara. And lastly, wag po tayong magtulakan, maghambalusan, at magpunahan sa pagpasok ng tren. 12:30 pa lamang po ng gabi, sarado pa ang tren. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.